Hello friends, my name is Neelam Tarangi and today's date is 29th December 2021 and today's video topic is SCP and why string is immutable in a Java programming language. First point is SCP. SCP means string constant pool. It is a type of memory. It is a special type of heap memory. It is used to store our string objects. Uh, string objects. We can create a string in a two way. First is using string literal, and second one using new keyword. When we create the string, um, when we create the string objects, then it will stored in a string constant pool. It will store the objects in a string constant pool. Suppose one example, string s1 consists of a hello word. It will store in string constant pool. String constant pool. Uh, String constant pool. When we create another string s1 which also consists hello word in a string constant pool, it will refer or uh, access the existing hello word which is already exist in a string constant pool. It does not create the new uh, new object of that string s1. um, uh, but one problem is created when we create a different type of different string which consists the different methods or um, different objects. Then there is no problem when different objects is created and different objects is created when the reference variable is the same, uh, and the object are different. Then the reference variable is same and the object is different, then the problem is created. For suppose one example, suppose one example, there is a five reference variable refers to one object Sachin. Refer the one object Sachin. um, Object Sachin. When we change any one object of that five reference variable, then it will affect on another four reference variables. That's why we can create the string is immutable. What is the immutable? Immutable means it is fixed or unchanged or unmodifiable. Why it is required in Java? It will see in this example, that is we can create the five variables with the same objects, that is Sachin. When we can change any one of them, then it will affect another four reference variable. That's why we cannot change, or that's why we can make the string as a immutable. mm, Immutable.